So this is what I'm working on right now. Okay. This is going to be called OfferMint. All right. Now, the goal of OfferMint, and I am so excited to just start using this myself. Okay. This software here is going to be a part of MintBird. And what we're going to do is we're going to give it away for free. So I explained this to my mastermind the other day. What I told the mastermind call is for the 5 days where we're building up to the launch, they call this the pre-launch. This is where people are going to register for our members area that we're going to create. And on top of that, they're going to have this software where they're going to be able to create their products like instantly and all the branding and get clear on this and everything else. And what happens is once they have the product, they can then go into phase two. And phase two is where we start to get clear on the marketing plan. Like, what's the big hook? What are the objections? What are the features? What are the benefits? And now that we have the delivery part, and on top of that, we also have the marketing plan. Now, when they click a button, they're going to see the most beautiful sales page ever, all created with AI. And we're going to let them do that in the free version. Now, what they're not going to be able to do is they're not going to be able to hook it up to a merchant account or domain name or anything. But they're going to see how fast they can create a product, and they're going to see how fast they can come up with a marketing plan with OfferMint. And then with a click of a button, it's going to create a sales page there. And so you can imagine how excited they're going to be at the end of that 5 days where they're all going to want to tie in their Stripe. And so when we go through the membership during that pre-launch, what I'm going to be doing is showing them how to take that idea using strategies like I'll tell you right now, I know there's a lot of AI resources for creating guides, and there's like designer and stuff for creating ebooks, and of course we have secrets to creating courses, and but then I could just open up PowerPoint and create the most incredible guide, right? So throughout this whole membership, now that they've gone through OfferMint and they've got clear on what it is they're creating and the framework and everything, now we're going to go and follow an MVP process, and we're actually going to start creating that product. So because when we come over here to MintBird, we've already actually added their product that they created in the outline to the digital product area. They don't know it because they don't see it, but it's there. It's there waiting for them. So when they create that sales page, boom, the sales page is automatically linked. The order form is automatically linked. And then they're going to go through our wizard and say, yep, I want to add a coupon code. Yep, I want to add a timer. Yep, I want to add a bump offer. So there's no fumbling around with the carts or anything. It's just all through a wizard, right? So I think this is really going to change a lot of things. But the nice thing is going to be that pre-launch. Now, I already told my mastermind members with this thing here, when people were to buy the whole entire funnel, it's like a $1,600 sale. And the reason why is because of everything that we have in there. Like MintBird is a beast. Not only do we have the basic version, not only do we have the pro version, but we also have the multi-client. We also have the ad suite. We also have, what's the other thing? The partner program, right? So it is a monster. And we want this a monster so that when we present that special offer on that webinar presentation, they've already created products. They've already got clear on their marketing plans. They've already seen that this thing can generate sales pages for them. I think it's going to be a slam dunk. And that's what we're communicating to the affiliates right now. And I told my mastermind, I said, if you're a mastermind members, then we are going to approve you to go out there and promote MintBird. Now, here's the thing where even people that are not mastermind members, even though you can't go promote that big, huge funnel, what you are going to be able to do is you are going to be able to jump in and make some money on the pre-sale. Because when somebody signs up for this incredible software, is there anybody that thinks they can go out there and give away this software and then get upgrades on the next page? Yes or no? What we're going to do is they're not only getting the software, they're not only getting the incredible course route, they're not only getting access to a 3-day workshop that I'm going to do as soon as the launch begins, But on top of that, I'm going to have a simple $47 offer for them where they can pretty much deploy everything that's coming out of pop links. So they can have the instant pages, they can have the lead steps, they can add their own domains, and we're going to price all of that at $47. And we're going to let you keep that, right? So we're setting all that up. But like I said, mastermind members are the only ones that are going to be eligible to make about $781 per sale. And that's a benefit from being a mastermind member, right? So this OfferMint, guys, really cool. It's really awesome. It's something that I have needed myself for so long that I've just done manually. And what happens is all I'm going to do is give it an idea. I have an idea to do this, and it's going to spit everything out for you. That's it. You say, here's my idea, here's my price. It's going to say, do you want to have a secret process method strategy formula? You're going to choose that, and then it's just going to go to work. It's just going to build out your whole entire thing for you. Okay. Now, what it can't do, at least not yet, is it can't go create the PDF. It can't go create the course for you. It can't do any of those things, but it can get you pretty damn close, and it can get you to where it does a whole entire outline for your deliverable so that you can get started. And what I'm going to teach people is let's get started with the MVP, right? Let's get started with the MVP.